Here you are, gentlemen. Hot dog, come to catch me out. Sound. Hold on, I'm not tired. I'll just stand by you. Sound with your head on off. You talk us into it. Hey. Did you hear anything? Yeah, I did. Yes, sound, Edie. I give it. This just can't be. So you're the perpetrator of this. Somebody. No, thank you.